Now we will explain the operation method of ZWYG-3 oil acid value tester. We need to place the alcohol bottle, neutralizing liquid bottle, and extracting liquid bottle in the corresponding positions and install the infusion tube. After confirming that the reagent bottles are placed correctly, we also need to place a test cup at the test position, which is a critical step. Then we close the lids and turn on the power of the device. At this time, the device will enter the initialization phase, which takes 3 to 5 minutes. When we use the device for the first time, it will enter the initialization phase, which is normal. During this process, the device will draw the reagent from the bottle and exhaust the gas in the tube. Drain the excess reagent into the test cup we have placed in advance. This process takes about 4 minutes. Let's fast forward. When the air in the catheter is expelled, the screen will indicate that the device is in progress and titration is ongoing. This is to calibrate the titration amount, which are all programmed steps. When the titration is completed, the device enters the operational phase. Then we click Sample Test and then click Turn. The test disc will rotate, and we need to take out the test cup placed previously, which contains the liquid that comes with the discharged gas. Next, we start the test of the sample oil. Pour the prepared sample oil into the measuring cylinder, and it is required to pour 10 ml, then pour it into the test cup. At the same time, the operator should not forget to put a stirring bar in the test cup. It is important to put a stirring bar in each test cup. This equipment can test 3 cups of samples at the same time, so we take samples 3 times respectively. By the way, if the customer needs to test 3 cups of sample oil of different types, they can also select 3 cups of different sample oils respectively. This equipment can test 3 cups of different types of sample oil at the same time. Customers can select oil samples according to their needs. Note that the volume of each sampling should not be too much. 10 ml layer is the most suitable. After we put 3 cups of test oil samples, we closed the lid of the test area and clicked Start to start the test. During the experiment, the lid of the test area must be closed, otherwise it will affect the accuracy of the results. Next, the device will automatically test 3 cups of oil samples. The device automatically extracts neutralizing liquid to perform acid-base titration on the oil samples. The device is now testing the first cup of sample. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes to complete the acid-base neutralization test of all 3 cups of oil. The length of this test time will vary depending on the acid value of the oil. Let's fast forward this process. We can see that the test results of the first cup are now displayed on the screen. Then the device will test the next cup of sample. Then the test results will be displayed one by one. The entire test process takes about 6 minutes to test the 3 cups of sample oil. When the results of the 3 samples are displayed, we can click Enter. Then we can print the test results on this interface. The results show the density and acidity of the sample. After completing the experiment, we need to perform the cleaning step. We click back to return to the main operation interface. Then click Instrument Cleaning. Before starting this function, we must confirm that there is enough alcohol solution in the alcohol bottle, because the cleaning process uses alcohol solution for cleaning. After confirming that there is enough alcohol, next we directly click Clean. The cleaning time is about 5 minutes. It should be noted that cleaning is not required after every test. When the customer's next test time is 3 to 4 hours later, we recommend that the customer use the instrument cleaning function. When the equipment is cleaned, it will automatically shut down. Let's fast forward this process again. When the equipment is shut down, we need the operator to manually loosen the 2 pumps to prevent the hoses from being deformed by long-term compression. Then, we need to disconnect the connecting pipes of all reagent bottles and place the reagent bottles in a dark place at room temperature. That's all for this video. In the next video, we will explain the calibration steps of the device. Thanks for watching and see you next time.